If these points are on this parabola, right, we can plug in all of these points into the parabola to find our a and k value. So for the first point, we get minus 13 is equal to a 1 minus 4 squared plus k. The other equation is minus 45 is equal to a negative 1 minus 4 squared plus k. Okay, so for this one, the first one, it becomes this. Here, this is minus 3, so squaring that becomes 9. For the second equation, this becomes minus 5, so squaring that, it becomes 25. So we have a system of linear equations, and subtracting these two, I can get rid of the k values. Okay, so here we have 45 minus 13, right? So that's going to be just 32. And subtracting these two values, I end up getting just 16a, or negative 16a. So dividing both sides by negative 16, a becomes minus 2. Okay? Plugging that back into the first equation, I get minus 13 is equal to 9 times minus 2 plus k. Right? This is going to be minus 18. So adding 18 to both sides, I get that k must be 5.